Hello, my name is Sarah. I work here at the innovation department at Fjällräven. I'm here today to talk about how to wax your G-1000 garments. So I brought my beloved Greenland jacket that needs some love and care. So let's do it. You'll need your G-1000 garment, Greenland wax, a hairdryer or an iron. Waxing your G-1000 garment is easy. Lay the G-1000 garment on a flat surface and apply wax. Make sure to get a good coverage. Use low to moderate heat to melt the wax into the fabric. I'm using a steam iron, but any source of heat would work. For exposed sections of the garment, such as the hood, shoulders, seat or leg ends, repeat the process to make the garment even more resistant to water. Now your gear is ready for many more adventures in nature.